Welcome to Jaden's channel. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mini clay pizza. So before we get into that, we have a special guest, Daisy.
Hi guys.
So, we have never done this before. Please like and subscribe at the end of the video. Now let's get in.
Ooh. Making pizza.
Making pizza.
So here are our directions. We'll leave them over here. This one we can put over here too.
Look, we got these.
Rollers. We'll open these. The blue.
Wait, my earpiece.
Okay, so we have our clay here.
Yep. We have our clay, our red clay, our yellow clay, which is like cheese, the sausage, the pepperoni, and
And the sauce.
No, this.
Oh, those are like the green bell peppers. I
Yeah,
guess.
we got this.
Yeah, so
Let's go.
yes. All right, so we're gonna just unravel all of these.
This looks like slime.
I know, right? It feels cool. I wonder if it's edible. Is this edible?
No, probably not. We could probably, yeah. Not okay, I don't think so.
Right. We've got our sausage.
Goes our pizza. I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say like our dough.
Our dough. What's your favorite kind of pizza, Jay?
Pepperoni and sausage.
Oh.
Yours?
Mine is all veggie.
So you're saying
With sausage though.
exactly.
Yeah. You gotta have some meat.
So not why isn't this coming out? Okay, there we go. So if you can make your own type of pizza, we'll try to make.
Whoa.
Like you had your own business shop.
Ooh. Like what do you mean? What kind of pizza I would make? I would make all kinds.
Like Hawaiian.
Ooh,
There's
yeah.
would you make a pig pork pepperoni? It's like it's
Is it stuck? It's okay. We're good. We can do with that. You roll that in a ball.
wait, no, look. We just, okay, I got the dough.
Alright.
Should I
So
start
yeah,
rolling?
you can roll the dough.
So like if you had to say for example get a pizza shop, right? Would you ever do a pizza that was like pork, bacon?
Meat lovers pizza.
No, just pork and bacon.
Pork and bacon. So like ham and bacon?
Kind of, you can do that.
Yeah, I'm down for that.
Oh, but isn't that kind of nasty? Isn't that kind of
I
nasty?
think that's pretty bomb. I'm pretty sure everybody would be like, yeah.
It's like it feels like a ball.
Okay, so you can roll it and we're gonna just kind of like you would roll your pizza.
Mhm.
All the way down, make sure it stays down. And then roll it as much as you can to make it a little bigger.
It looks like the sides are.
Oh, it's nice though.
Okay, now
I like keep it all the way and then just like punch it.
yeah. So you still working on the?
Yeah, okay, I'll go ahead and start making the cheese. So I'll cut a piece of cheese.
It fits. I'll do
Use my
the
roller.
pepperoni. No sauce. Sorry, you gotta cut this in half. This should be for the sauce, right? This for pepperoni. Yep. Oh. Yeah, I hope this comes out good.
You too. Okay, we're gonna put the cheese on top.
Wait, isn't the sauce then the cheese?
Oh snap! I don't know how to make a pizza. Okay. I'm always the one who ruins the videos, but it's okay. Oh, well, you know what? Let's just change it. We'll like, it's fine. I'm sure like it's all gonna go in your belly at the same time, so we'll be fine, huh?
And then while
We're fine.
the cheese, we'll add the pepperoni, the sauce, and then we'll add the cheese that's left over.
Okay. So when you make the pepperoni, you have to like make the little like the loops like this.
Oh. I think the pencil's hiding.
No, I mean it should be fine. You can like just like try with your hands. Not you don't have to, yeah, like that. Okay, and then just like squish it a little bit. And we'll start cutting off little tiny pieces. Awesome. Here, I know what you can do. Put the sauce there.
I know.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Little strips.
We're gonna just double cheese it.
It's good. Ah, no. No.
It's okay. You're fine.
Just gonna leave it.
Pizza was meant to be messy.
It was?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave it.
There we go. Beautiful. And then we'll just like
Smudge, like, why don't we do this like this when we do this?
look at that. It's a beautiful pizza. It's a little bit like this.
Oh, yeah, double sauce.
And then I'm getting out my little snake. Oh! It's always in my videos where like crazy things happen. Okay. Now we're putting the pepperoni. And then you can put the sausage.
Yeah, I need it.
I think we're doing pretty good.
Can I see you put it on here? Our sausage meant to be this big.
You can make it as big as you want, girl. Eggs, bacon.
Bacon?
Well, like roll it into like balls, you know?
Yes, no.
Like tiny little balls.
I mean, yeah, that's good.
Oh, snap. What?
I think after we'll be,
I think we should add some greens, no?
yeah, I think after we'll be able to make some weird stuff with this. We'll help us over stuff.
Oh yeah.
Green?
So we will.
One green? I have a green already. How many greens do we need?
You know, some people actually, well, you can put as many as you want. You know, some people actually put broccoli in their pizzas.
It's kind of disgusting. Just kind of. Because it isn't that your time to be like, pizza, no vegetables. Kind of.
I mean, yeah. But like, some people actually enjoy vegetables. Like, it's not like, oh, I'm gonna be healthy.
Let's cut it now. You ready?
Yeah, hold on. So usually, like, you would freeze this, but for time purposes, you can cut it now. So you would freeze it and then you would cut it. You would freeze it for about 10 minutes. But you can go ahead and cut it and make it snaps.
Let's
Go ahead and cut. Yeah. And then we're also going to show you guys all the little things that we got. So we can actually put the pizza on the little stand.
And our
It's
pizza.
so cute. Look at, we get the little stand. We got our pizza and our plate.
Got our napkin. We got our little sponge to eat.
Oh, and you cannot forget the soda.
So this is what comes with the menu or the pizza.
And we'll show you guys the finishing product in just a second.
Alrighty guys, it's about that time. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Bye!